Introducing the Valleylab FX8 Energy Platform. Supporting a wide range of surgical procedures that require division, hemostasis and dissection, the Valleylab FX8 Energy Platform is a compact, easy-to-use system that enhances performance, redefining the standard of care. Supporting cut and coag modes, soft coag mode, providing deep tissue hemostasis without burning, sparking or smoke. Valleylab mode offers an alternative intermediate mode that provides the thermal effect of a coagulation mode with the smooth dissection ability of a cutting mode. The blended waveform creates cut with hemostasis. The Valleylab FX8 Energy Platform provides consistent and precise mono and bipolar energy delivery. Electrosurgical devices perform better than ever with enhanced precision. Powered by TissueFect tissue sensing technology that adjusts energy output for precision in all modes. Now your electrosurgical instruments will adapt to tissue variability in real time. The Valleylab FX8 Energy Platform's consistent energy delivery results in precise electrosurgical performance and reduced thermal spread even at lower energy levels. While the pioneering shared coag mode allows two surgeons to work on the same patient at the same time from a single generator. Designed with an intuitive interface, the Valleylab FX8 Energy Platform makes setup smoother with simple controls and the ability to add significant new functionality through software upgrades. The Valleylab FX8 Energy Platform. We're making energy precise, all the while never forgetting the ultimate goal: to improve patient care. That's what Valleylab has been doing since 1967. And we want to partner with you to continue. Let's go further, together.